Greetings once more. This is how to play Reya Reya High Jerusalem. So the progression is simple, so I won't take long on this one. Alright, so please don't forget to subscribe. I will use G sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. Alright, C sharp, G sharp, F sharp, and C sharp. Alright, so before wasting more time, please subscribe if you're new in this channel. Alright, so it starts right here on 4. Okay, you can like let me play it first and I will break it down after it. You can start by saying this. So I hope you saw it. So let's break it down in G sharp first. All right, it starts on 4. Jerusalem. All right, all right, Jerusalem. All right, then we'll say 4, then 1. 7, 5, then 1. All right, 4, 1. All right, 7, 5, then 1. Then you close it. All right, so is where it says Reya 1. Reya Jerusalem. All right, so it's simple. Reya, same progression. Reya, all right, so yeah, let's go to F sharp. Right, so F sharp, it starts right here. Jerusalem. Alright, so same thing. 4, 1, first, second inversion, Jerusalem. Alright, so I hope you saw it. Let me be slow. So simple, very simple. Let's go to C sharp. All right, before wasting of time. So in C sharp, it starts right here. Then it goes to 1. All right, so it starts here. So thank you so much.